Want this cool transition in CapCut? Get your edit after you've added speed graph and zooms, then export it. Now open Node Video and add your video. Now click the white plus button at the bottom and add motion tile. Turn on mirror edges and adjust the size if you want. Now apply this custom resolution. Then click Export and increase the FPS, and then click Export again. Now add the video you just exported to CapCut. Zoom it in, then split it on your beats. I'm just going to split it in the middle of my clips because I don't have any beats. Now add keyframes like me. Now rotate the end of the first clip to whichever direction you want. Now use this graph. Now go to the first keyframe on the second clip and rotate it to the opposite direction of the first clip. Use this graph on the second clip. Adjust your keyframes if they need adjusting, just like I'm doing. Now go to Overlays and add a black screen overlay. Crop it between your clips like I'm doing. Now go to Mask and choose Rectangle. Now adjust the feather to around 3 or 5. Rotate it like I'm doing. Now zoom it into your liking. Now add a keyframe in middle between the two clips. Rotate it at the end. Go to the start of the overlay and rotate it to the opposite direction. Now add these graphs. Now go to opacity and copy my keyframes. copy the overlay and slide it under the original one. Now go to Mask and switch it to Stars, then click Invert. Rotate it like I'm doing on the middle keyframe. Let's delete the first opacity keyframe so we can see what we are doing. Rotate it the same way you did the first overlay. You can switch the opacity graph to this if you prefer it this way. Here are the results.